Hey, you having a hard time trying to create a watch list on TradingView with all your cryptocurrency plays so you can kind of keep them intact? Have no fear. I got you. Keep it locked. I'm going to show you how to set up an A1 watch list so you can watch all the plays before the next bull run. It's your boy, Shooter Investor. Let's go. Hey, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Shooter the Investor, and I'm checking in for the gang. And gang, I got something special for you. Real special, something that you need. This is fundamentals, right? This is how you build that empire. How do you create a solid watch list using the TradingView app? Yeah, some of y'all don't know how to do that, and that's okay because TradingView is feature rich. What do I mean by that? There's a lot of stuff going on TradingView, right? It's an awesome platform to chart, to set up your indicators, to build out watch lists, to kind of keep your eye on the market. But there's a lot of going on. They use up all the URL real estate for sure. So I want to kind of simplify this process because it's very important so you can keep an eye on the plays that you want to start investing in or even investing out of, taking profits, right? So let's go ahead and get into that, man. Let me break this down to y'all, man. We are on the TradingView app, and this is not a sponsored paid video. I'm doing this out of the kindness of my heart because I know there's people out there. But TradingView, if you watching this, you know what I'm saying, you might want to go ahead and max switch the boy. You might want to, again, we work something out because I use you guys. I'm just saying, man. Anyways, man, let's go ahead and get into the video. Again, this is the TradingView app, tradingview.com. Now, TradingView has a paid subscription. 3 different layers give you different types of access to their application. You can also do the free one. Now, understand if you do the free one, you're going to be subject to not that many features. You might not be able to create that many watch lists, etc. I'm not telling you to run out and jump out the window and just go buy up the tiers or different tiers or even the most expensive tiers. What I'm telling you is that you can still create these watch lists with the free one. Okay? Now, if you decide to buy it later, that's on you. Just letting you know. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you how to create this watch list. It's very important. We're going to skip through all this mumbo jumbo stuff, right? This is the TradingView URL website platform. Make sure you go and create yourself some type of TradingView account so you can have this access, right? If you want to come here and create a new watch list, you'll come here to the left hand side. This is where all your plays are, right? This is my current crypto portfolio that I have here that I watch. I want to make one for the metaverse. So what I'm going to come do here, shout out to the wifey and her pics here. I want to come here and create new list. I click on create new list. Well, let's give it a name, right? Let's do this for the metaverse vibes, right? And I like all mine capitalized. Metaverse vibes, right? We're going to say that. Now, as you can see, there is nothing in this list. So we need to start adding some coins for sure, right? So let's kind of just go through it. One thing for sure, when you're adding any symbol, this defaults to all. This means it's going to show you stocks, futures, forex, crypto, bonds, economy, index, all that type of stuff, right? We're going to go ahead and save us and just click on crypto. So metaverse plays. We talked about this. I gave you my top 5 metaverse plays. I don't want to take a deep dive on these plays on why I'm putting them on the watch list. I'll say that for a future video. Just want to show you how to set this up. So one of the first ones that I'm off the top of my head that I am very curious, not even curious that I own in my portfolio, I want to make sure I got some ape. As you can see here, there are multiple ape symbols. The key thing, in my opinion, is that you want to look at the source, right? Where are you buying your ape coin from? The reason why, because these exchanges price varies. What I mean, Binance price and KuCoin price for ape could be different. And the data coming from there, time of, could be less or more. Meaning on Binance, could have been trading ape, let's just say on Thanksgiving, right? Today is the 28th. This could be KuCoin's first time trading ApeCoin. So they're going to have information from the 28th. Binance will have their information on Thanksgiving, which was the 24th. You get what I'm saying? So each exchange, when they produce this information, is based off when they listed the asset. So, and that price may vary a few cents. Haven't seen it for like a whole, it's usually like a couple of cents here and there. It's really not a big thing, but I will correlate on where you're buying your assets and understand that some CXs, centralized exchange, don't carry the same amount of assets, unfortunately. So I will correlate them where you're buying 𝐽𝐽𝐽. For me, I buy 𝐽𝐽𝐽 on Coinbase. I'm going to use the Coinbase 𝐽𝐽𝐽 price, right? But I'm going to click on this Binance and you can see a little off here and there, but it's not a big deal, right? I'm going to delete that one later. So we got 𝐽𝐽𝐽, I'm a big fan of. Y'all already know how I feel about Gala. Type in Gala, and I'm buying Gala on Coinbase as well too. Let's see, what else? ICP, which I recently just added to my portfolio. I'm currently buying ICP off of Binance. So I'll add that one, right? Yep. And I'm not spot trading, so I don't need the futures one. I'm also buying the Central Land, and that's off of Coinbase. I'm also buying Sandbox, and you know where I'm buying at. Let's see if it's on here. There it is. Coinbase. Now, sometimes you'll see the USD, USDT, USDC. Again, those are for like spot and future trading, but also the currency that you can buy. Those prices may be a little bit different, right? However you're buying it. In my opinion, it doesn't really matter if you pick the USD, USDT, USDC. It don't matter. I think it's more so correlating which exchange you're buying these assets is more important, in my opinion. Correct me if I'm wrong, though, in the comments. Please do. I'm here for it. You know, if you got a different definition of it, if you got more insight on the difference between it, put it in the comments below, man. We're a community of sharing, baby. It's about sharing and caring. Anyways, let's get back to it. What else am I buying? I'm trying to go. Let me look at my portfolio real quick. Let me look at my portfolio. Oh, yeah. We got Mask. We recently just started buying Mask Network. I've been buying Mask Network and Coinbase as well. We're also buying, I'll throw 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫 on there. We got the 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫, and I buy 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫 off Coinbase. Sounds like, hey, I'm speaking all this on Coinbase. In the first pinned comment, if you want to go ahead and sign up for Coinbase, sign up with my referral code. Once you deposit $100 in there and start trading, we both get $10 of Bitcoin. You can sell it, use it for USDT, maybe buy some of these plays or some plays that you want to get into, but use the link in the bio. I also have my Binance US link as well too. That's another $10 jug. I mean, if you sign up, include $100 and start trading, we both get $10 worth of Bitcoin off of Binance USA. So that's Coinbase, Binance, pinned comments, click them links. Hell, if you feeling groovy, sign up for both. You dig? No sweat off my back, baby. You know we gonna trade regardless. What else are we buying? We're buying up. Let me see. To the sand. We got Mass. Oh, Axie is in. And we're buying that off of Binance. Axie is Infinity. We got 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐿 that we're also buying. Engine. What is it? Is it I? No. I'm tripping, y'all. What is it? What is the... Here, let me look it up real quick. Tripping. Okay. Brain fart. There we go. And we're buying that off Coinbase. That's not the right one. There we go. USD. Who else? I know I'm missing. Oh, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞. 𝐬𝐿. And we're buying that off of Binance. And this is Binance US that I'm buying off. For anyone that's outside of the Americas, you'll be using the regular Binance. But it's all the same as far as price go. Right? Let me look at the other metaverse. Let me go here. This is coin market cap right here. So we definitely got Theta. I should have just went there from the get-go. We're buying Theta off of Binance as well. Sandbox, Axie Infinity, 𝐸𝐿, 𝐬𝐮, Mass. Yes, we're buying all of those. I do have Render. Let me see what the ticker. Oh, they don't have the ticker. And you can type in the full name too, right? So there's that gives me the ticker, right? So crypto has tickers just like stocks. So Render's ticker is RNDR. So I'm buying that off of Coinbase, right? It's a good project right there as well. Definitely gonna do a video on them. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not missing any other ones, right? Under the main ones that's on major exchange. Now I do also have Hero, which is I'm buying off a 𝐾𝐿 coin, Dome, which is Everdome. And I'm buying Everdome off of PancakeSwap, but we're going to use the OKX, which is an exchange that's overseas. We're going to use that price action, right? And then we're also, where is it at? Star Atlas. Star Atlas is one of my favorite ones, man, but they're built off of Solana right now, and Solana is getting hammered far as the just the bad media right now with this whole FTX right now. But I really like Star Atlas project a lot. I was buying them off of PancakeSwap directly. I'm trying to see if I can find it on here. If not, then we'll just use one of the exchanges, one of the lasting exchanges that's selling it. Let's see. We'll use Gate.io price, and we'll use USDT. And just to make sure, I think we have enough, but I just want to make sure I add my portfolio on here and I'm doing it live so I don't have to go back later. Yeah, so that's what I have currently out of the top 100. Just kind of go over real quick. And so once you finish there, you can close this window out. And as you can see, you have all your plays on your guest list. Now, guest list, your watch list. If you want to put this in some type of order or sort, you just click on symbol and they'll start from A to Z. And we have 2 apes. Obviously, we get rid of one. Or if I click it again, it'll put Z through. However you want to do it, right? And you can even do it by price or whatever the case may be. And boom, you just created your first ever watch list. So that's super easy to do, right? Not hard at all. I just want to make sure I got everything. Yep, got everything. Got all the ones I want to put on there. And that's super easy to do. I got Ape, I got Star Atlas, I got Axie Infinity, Dome, 𝐬𝐮, Gala, Hero, ICP, Decentraland, Mass Network, Render, Sandbox, Sheep, Theta, and 𝐸𝐿, all on my line, all on my watch list. And you can just come here and you just click. Now some of these obviously I've been charting on already. We'll do another video on how to chart, but I just want to kind of show you how to do a quick watch list. Yeah, and that's simple, easy. Close out. If I close out that window, it's there, it's saved. We're good to go. So I don't have to repeat and go back and create another watch list each time. And you can just continue to create more watch lists for either crypto, stock, however you want to set it up. If you want to do storage coins, all my storage coins. If you want to do DeFi, now you have all these watch lists and you can just kind of click through them. You can just click now, right? And you can come here, you got your list. I got my metaverse, I got my crypto portfolio, and as you can see, I can come, right? Now you can make these a little bit more granular and more defined, right? Because I'm gonna make one for DeFi finance. So that means out of this crypto, my main one, I'm going to be taking out the ones from DeFi Finance because I don't need it. Like I got Mask here. I don't need it there no more because I have it on my metaverse one. I got Shiba here. We already know Shiba's in my metaverse. So I can take that out. Now this list gets a little bit more manageable where you ain't got 100 tokens unless you like stuff like that. You don't have 100 tokens here, and I'll create one for DeFi. All my DeFi plays, I'll create that, right? So while I'm at it, boom, DeFi, save, blank. I'll come here. What are my DeFi, right? 𝐿𝐵. Whoops. Why am I bugging right now? Oh, it's double A. 𝐿𝐵, right? I'm buying 𝐿𝐵. Where am I buying 𝐿𝐵 at? I'm buying 𝐿𝐵 on Coinbase, right? ADA, whatever the case may be. Whatever you consider to be DeFi, make marker. Boom. Add it there. Maker. Avalanche, right? Correlated. Which one am I buying? Where am I buying Avalanche at? Boom. And now I'm making a DeFi list. And now I can come back to my main list. Now I can remove that from there. And then I'm just making this a little more granular, a little more easier, a little more organized. And you can organize yourself and get yourself, you know, just a little bit more organized. And where now I can come here and be like, okay, let me go look at my DeFi plays. Boom, boom, boom. Let me go look at my metaverse pros. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna look at my wife's plays, her stock plays. I just want to give a shout out to my wife because she bought Dollar Tree way down here, and she is up big because she's a big fan of Dollar Tree, and she went in here and stacked it up. So that's just a quick shout out to the wifey, man. Let's get back on task. Anyways, so that's how you set up your watch list. Super simple. Video's kind of long. Sorry, guys. I wanted to be more detailed, give you the information. You already know how I do it on this channel. If you rocking with the kid, give me that thumbs up now. Share this video for anyone who may not know how to use TradingView or haven't even heard of TradingView, and damn sure probably didn't know how to create a watch list. Share that video for them out there. Also, if you haven't already, cop the crypto guide. My crypto ebook, How to Crypto, is in the link below. First, second pinned comment there as well. Again, go get you some crypto for Coinbase and Binance USA. That's the first pinned comment on this video. We both get Bitcoin. You can sell yours to whatever you want with it. I'm gonna keep mine because Bitcoin is gold 2.0. You dig? Anyway, it's your boy Shooter, the investor, man. I appreciate you liking it, locked, and keeping it locked with me. I'm outro. Peace.